Betelgeuse is a red supergiant star about 642.5 light-years away from Earth, in the constellation Orion. The first person to study this star was in 1836 by astronomer John Herschel. But a lot of ancient cultures knew about Betelgeuse. It is one of the closest red supergiant stars to us. Betelgeuse is really big and bright. These are 5 mind-boggling facts about Betelgeuse. Number 1. Betelgeuse is very big and bright. Betelgeuse is super big and bright. And that's why many ancient cultures saw it from Earth. I actually saw Betelgeuse too. Betelgeuse is the 10th brightest star. Betelgeuse is so big. Do you want evidence? If we somehow replaced the Sun with Betelgeuse, it would go past the orbits of Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, and possibly Jupiter. And they would all be swallowed by the gigantic monster! Betelgeuse has a diameter of about 700 times the Sun. The Sun would look like a small dot compared to Betelgeuse. Number 2. Betelgeuse is a very young star. Astronomers think that Betelgeuse is extremely young for a star to die. They estimate that Betelgeuse is just 10 million years old. Our Sun is 4.6 billion years old. Betelgeuse may be even younger, as you'll learn in number 5. Wait, why is Betelgeuse a red giant and approaching death already if it's a lot younger than the Sun? The Sun isn't a red giant. This is because Betelgeuse has a ton more energy than the Sun because it has a lot more mass. Thus, it uses more of this energy. This allows Betelgeuse to burn its fuel 14,000 times faster than the Sun. Soon, it will explode into a supernova and destroy hundreds of close-by planets. However, even though it is one of the closest red supergiants to Earth, it will not demolish the Earth. It will outshine the full moon though, and plus, when I said soon, I meant 100,000 years from now. Number 3. Betelgeuse dimmed. In the end of 2019, people suddenly saw Betelgeuse get fainter than it was before. Many theories came up as to how it became so faint. Astronomers were ready for Betelgeuse to, explode. The bottom half of Betelgeuse looked more faint than the top one. Surprisingly, it had nothing to do with Betelgeuse going supernova. NASA's Hubble Space Telescope discovered that Betelgeuse had ejected a mammoth cloud of dust and hot material called a traumatic outburst that blocked a lot of its light. The cosmic dust cloud was mostly on the bottom half of the star, which explains why the bottom of Betelgeuse was dimmer than other parts. Why was Betelgeuse so shy? Number 4. Betelgeuse is a runaway star. Astronomers think that Betelgeuse is a runaway star, meaning that the star moves at a very high velocity and runs away from its star companions. Betelgeuse travels 67,000 miles per hour faster than the other stars, and it was ejected from its birthplace. Nee, 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 no one can catch me. And finally, number 5. Betelgeuse is 2 stars? A recent study shows that Betelgeuse might be 2 merged stars. This theory claims that about a few 100,000 years ago, 2 big stars collided. As a result, they both formed one big and massive star, which is Betelgeuse. Also, as I said, Betelgeuse is a runaway star. So how does that have to do with 2 stars merging together and forming Betelgeuse? When the 2 stars crashed into each other and formed Betelgeuse, the force of the collision may have pushed the new star out of its birthplace, which explains why Betelgeuse is a runaway star in the first place. Which fact was your favorite? Please share in the comments below and subscribe to Engrossing Macrocosm Facts. Thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video.